How long does it take to get fully onboarded with eBay? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be going through a pretty common question that we get where people are asking how long it takes to really start ramping up on eBay and get onboarded, because even though the onboard process doesn't take that long, there is a seasoning process to the accounts that we do have to go through first before you're really going to start to see us actually now starting to ramp up the store and directly, start looking for profit made on the store. Because initially, for a set of period of time, we're not really looking for profit on the store. We're just really gearing up the store, seasoning it, and getting it ready. So what it would look like as you're first getting started, as far as time spent from your end, it's not much. With eBay, there's not a whole lot you need to get started. You will eventually need a business entity, but you actually don't even need one at the very beginning. Selling on just a personal account at the start is completely fine. So that's all we'll need at the very beginning, is just a personal eBay account. If you already have one that's been existing for a year or 2 years, that's even better, right? If there's already traction on that eBay account, that's better, because like I said, like we'll go through in a minute, there is going to be a seasoning process there, which, if you've had an account that is already seasoned a little bit and has some reviews on it, or has some, just some prior history on it, it does speed up the process a little bit. It depends how recent that is. If you have an eBay account that's 10 years old and you haven't used it in 5 years, it doesn't change a whole lot. It does speed it up a little bit, but not by much, just because a lot of it's not very recent. We're still going to have to go and get some recent history on the account. So how it'll work, again, you just need a personal eBay account. If you have a personal account, it's a buying and a selling account, so it works for both if you're on there, if there's any confusion there. But once we have access to the account, the first 10 to 14 days is going to be the buying seasoning process. And what that means is we're actually going to be placing orders on your account on other products on eBay. We don't spend a lot of money. We're looking to spend around $50 in that first 10 to 14 days. We're purchasing products that cost $2, $3, $4. The reason we're doing that is, to show some activity on the account and build up some of that history, but also with eBay, even if you're just buying products, you're able to get positive feedback on your account. So they're able to leave you a review as just a purchaser, which really is going to help once we actually start scaling your store and listing products. Nobody's going to want to order from an eBay store that has 0 reviews on it, right? But even if they're seeing 12, 5-star reviews on there, or they're, 20, whatever it is, that really helps in terms of just that trust factor in getting those sales initially at the beginning. Obviously, as you continue to build up and get more and more sales, and you have more reviews under there, that even helps more. But again, it goes a long way having 12 5-star reviews than just having 0. So that's one of the biggest key factors on why we're doing that at the beginning, as well as building up some of that activity. Now the next 10 to 14 days, this is when now we're seasoning it via listings that we're putting it out. Now we're finally going to put out our first listing on there. We also go through, make some different policies, shipping policy, the privacy policies, and a return policy, and start getting the account ready for us to start selling on there. And again, what we're kind of doing over that 10 to 14 days is starting with 1 listing per day and ramping up to about 20 to 25 listings per day. With eBay, you can't just jump on there and list 100 items a day or 125 items right out of the gate. It's just going to raise red flags in their system for someone coming on day 1 and listing that many items. There has to be a gradual ramp up to it, and so that's what we're doing at the very start. After that, then there's a gradual ramp up from you listing about 25 items a day all the way up to 100. We cap out at about 100 items per day that we're listing on there. We've just, eBay doesn't like us to go past that many listings that we're putting out, so that's where we'll cap it, and you'll see us start putting out 100 listings every single day from that point on, once your store is at that part. But that's where you're looking at for as far as the buying seasoning and the listing seasoning process, taking about a full month. So really, that's why I try to set a lot of our, the expectations with clients coming on, where, don't be looking for profit or anything, in your first month, or even really 2 months. The first month is just seasoning the store, getting it ready. Second month is actually now starting to ramp it up and add to your catalog. You're going to be getting profit in that month, but it's not going to be much. It's not going to be a whole lot. Maybe anywhere from $50 to $150 in that month. Third month and on, that's really when you're going to start to see profit on the store, and we're going to continue building it month over month. Like I said, we are gradually building up your catalog, so So you're going to be gradually building up your profit month over month, where, you're normally seeing in that third, fourth month, $300-400 in profit. And then, another month or two after that, where we're building that up to $600-700 in profit. It really, to be receiving $1,000 or $1,500 or $2,000 in profit, usually you're getting close to about that year mark in when you're going to start seeing thousands of dollars in profit on your store. So expect kind of in your first year on that you're going to be seeing things underneath $1,000 in profit for that initial ramp up time. So that's kind of overall what the process will look like, especially that first month and then kind of into that first year of you selling on there. If there is any questions that you guys have, definitely feel free to leave a comment down below. If you guys got a ton of questions, or if you're thinking about getting started with a store with us, you can definitely click the link down below to schedule a call directly with me. We can go through any more questions that you have on there. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was insightful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.